Yo guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video, and today I've just got a cool tutorial on how to get Snapchat Plus Plus in 2018. So yeah, without any further ado, I'm just gonna get right into the video. And yeah, so what you're gonna need for this is you're just gonna need your device, and you're gonna need to type up a link that's pretty much gonna be oathman.store/shop. And just a /. Now I'll leave that definitely in the link below, but if you don't put it in the /shop, well then you're not going to come to this page. You're going to come to a page that's also going to be in Arabic, but you're going to have to activate, and I don't know how to do that. So yeah, I just found this, and without any, what you want to do is, this does cost at the moment. Now they have I'm not too sure about how to navigate like everything at the moment, but all I do know is this is like one of the main packs, and it's a pretty cool pack. In this pack you get all these I believe these 4 apps. I believe you get like Snapchat, Oathman, which is the same as Snapchat, and yeah, you just get all these apps. Now I believe you can find all the other apps. You just have to maybe look at it on your computer, which would be my best recommendation if you want to get a certain app. But you can of course get Snapchat Plus on this, which is really cool. Now these do cost money, and my recommendation, if you want the app now and you want it to be working for most likely ever, I would definitely recommend to buy this, because these guys are really trusted. They're 100% legit, and yeah. But the thing is, maybe in the next week or so we could be seeing some free ones come out. But of course, we know if those free ones, they could get shut down so easily. So it's really just up to you guys. Now I was thinking, if anybody does want to do this with me, I was thinking, if this video gets like 1,000 views and we all pitch in like $2, we could buy 1 copy and then we could share those copies around. So pretty much you're only playing 2 for it. I don't know if anyone else wants to do that, but yeah, that is a possibility. It's definitely potential. And yeah, that's pretty much how you get like Snapchat Plus. This is the only way to get it right now, unless you have a jailbroken device. And yeah, Snapchat Plus, if you guys don't know, is just a really cool version of Snapchat where you can like spoof your location, so you can pretend that you're in LA when really you're in Australia, or you can pretend you're in like, I don't know, like I guess North Korea. Like yeah, it's really cool. Anyway guys, I think I'm gonna end off the video there. If you did like the video, make sure to like and subscribe, would be much appreciated. And yeah, thank you.